The system I use to stop my snoring problem completely. Are you trying to find out how to stop snoring? Snoring is a big problem for the person you're sharing your bed with. It can also be embarrassing, but most importantly, you have to realize that it may be a sign of other health problems. There are many causes of snoring, so you have to start by identifying what is either causing your problem or maybe aggravating it. First, you need to find the source of the problem. To find out how to stop snoring, you have to look at the cause, and the simplest cause can be the way that you are sleeping. You may be collapsing your neck while sleeping, so it's harder for you to get air from your lungs. Make sure that your neck is straight so there aren't any obstacles to your breathing. The snoring can be caused by a weight problem as well. Weight gain can cause the muscles in your throat and jaws to become more loose. This affects your tongue, making it fall back to your throat. What this does is that it causes an obstruction that makes you start snoring. It can also be a health problem, such as sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a disorder where the person experiences abnormal pauses in breathing during sleep. They can go without breathing for many times over the period of an hour. Next, there are some techniques you can use to avoid snoring. It's important for you to find out how to stop snoring, but it's also important to understand what can aggravate it. You should try to sleep on your side so that your tongue won't rest on the back of your throat. When your tongue lies on the back of your throat, it becomes an obstruction to your breathing. Certain foods, such as drinks with lots of caffeine, alcohol, and fatty foods, also can make snoring worse. Make sure you avoid them before you go to sleep. If you find it hard to avoid these foods, make sure you eat them during the day, as it will affect your sleep a lot less. It's important that you take care of any congestion problems. When you get sick or have allergies, your nasal passages can block up, making it harder for you to breathe. There are many over-the-counter antihistamines and decongestants you can use to clear up your passages and allow you to sleep without any problems. If necessary, think about using devices such as nose strips, jaw lining straps, and mouthpieces to help you keep your passages open and prevent any airway obstruction. Some devices can be costly, but if it has received positive reviews from customers, you should consider purchasing them. So if you're trying to find out how to stop snoring, go through all the main points in this article. Your solution will depend on the cause of your snoring, and you should identify the cause in order to treat it effectively. Snoring is a problem that you do not have to live with.